also maybe comparing to United States, it can be that in United States, you had this culture of stock investments, as far as I know. So I mean, it's kind of half of people do it, let's say, and we have it like on zero level. I mean, like completely zero. So nobody's doing it. So we usually very surprised with this application on iPhone, you know, when you have stock prices. We don't really understand why we need this application, and we always delete it. I mean, about usual persons. So now,
can I stop you on that point? That's very interesting. That's very surprising. Are you speaking for, like, is that going on in Ukraine specifically, or is that Russia as well, that there's not a culture of investing in stocks?
Yeah, that's overall about all our countries ex USSR.
Wow, why is that?
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
Yeah, so it's actually on zero level. So people always just, we had one bank usually at that time of USSR. Well, 30 years ago, but still all people were, you have only one possibility. Either you take cash at your home or you put to one bank, one rate, right, Sberbank. And then people lost all this when USSR was closed. And that's all the culture. That's I described you everything that was.
Our parents never invest in stock, so they did not teach us to invest in stock. So I think that's one of the main reasons.
But is there an opportunity, like if you wanted to invest in stock, can you? Is there an opportunity to do so?
It's very simple now.
Yeah, now it is, but that was my point, right? So these opportunities appeared like simultaneously, I would say, the stock investment and blockchain. So it's almost simultaneously, because still 10 years ago, I don't think it was very easy to invest in stock. I mean, maybe you need to go to some broker, maybe you need starting capital like a few thousand American dollars, and it was not usual for mass investors. So, I mean, it was a problem still. And now when it's, I think today it's not a problem anymore, but today still even easier to start from blockchain than from stocks. So when people are already in their minds ready to do this, it's even easier to start from cryptocurrencies than from stocks.
Wow, you're blowing my mind, because this is such a great opportunity to onboard the Russian Ukrainian people into crypto, into EOS, to Bitcoin and EOS. Like, because like in the United States, for example, crypto in terms of investments are competing against many other things. But if crypto is the only player in town in terms of investments in Russia, Ukraine, which is huge. I mean, that is huge. Like, we got to do a lot of marketing to let the people know and make it really easy. So that's wild.